Hey there, are you still holding on to your old skills? Well, it's time to level up. In 2026, the tech industry is moving fast, and if you are still relying on outdated knowledge, you could be left behind. But don't worry, you can do it too. In this video, we'll explore the top skills you must learn to stay competitive in 2026. These skills will help you land the best jobs, and I will show you exactly how they will set you apart from the crowd. So let's dive in. First up, cloud skills. Now, cloud computing isn't just a nice to have skill, it's a must have skill in 2026. Why? Because more and more companies are actually moving their infrastructure to the cloud. And the demand for cloud professionals is only growing as businesses aim for scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. So why it's so important? Cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure are the backbone of modern tech. Companies use the cloud to host their applications, store data, and power their services. So if you are working in cloud engineering or cloud architecture, you are essentially building the infrastructure that supports everything from banking apps to e-commerce websites. For software engineers, having cloud expertise means you'll be able to design scalable applications that can handle millions of users or run cost effectively without bottlenecks. Cloud skills are crucial for companies to ensure their software is secure, fast, and scalable. And that's why these skills are in very high demand. Now guys, anyone who is looking to build large-scale systems or work on distributed applications will be needed to understand cloud technologies. And if you are a backend developer, DevOps engineer, or even a data engineer, cloud skills are essential. Next, let's talk about DevOps. If you haven't heard about it yet, it's time to pay attention. DevOps is the practice of automating and improving the software development lifecycle. Everything from writing code to deployment. That's why DevOps is so important, because it ensures that software gets to market faster, with fewer bugs and more reliability. The demand for DevOps engineer is skyrocketing because companies need professionals who can automate their repetitive tasks, set up CI/CD pipeline, and improve the overall efficiency of their development process. This leads to faster product releases, improved quality control, and better user experience. DevOps is essential for anyone involved in building, deploying, and maintaining software. So whether you are a software engineer, system administrator, or someone who is working in cloud computing, DevOps skills will help you manage applications and streamline workflows. So if you want to increase your value in the job market, DevOps is the way to go. Next up we have is full-stack development. This is a skill that will make you versatile in the world of software engineering. A full-stack developer is someone who can handle both the front end and the back end of the application. Front end is what the user sees and interacts with, like the website or the app interface, and back end is everything that happens behind the scenes, like databases, servers, etc. So guys, why full-stack development is so important for companies? Because companies want engineers who can handle multiple parts of the stack. So instead of having separate front-end and back-end developers, full-stack developers are able to work on entire project, saving time, reducing complexity, and improving collaboration across teams. If you are someone who loves problem solving and enjoys building both client-side and server-side application, then full-stack development is for you. Companies love full-stack engineers because they can handle a variety of tasks and work on projects from start to finish. Mastering both front-end tools like React or Angular and back-end technologies like Node.js or Express.js will help you become a versatile and high-demand developer. Next up we have is AI and machine learning. If you want to stand out in 2026, then AI is a skill to get your hands dirty with. Why? Because AI is actually changing everything from automated customer support to predictive analytics and personalized recommendations. AI and ML engineers are already some of the most sought after professionals, and the demand will only increase as AI-powered applications grow. And why is AI important for companies? It's because AI helps companies work smarter, not harder. Companies are using machine learning algorithms to predict customer behavior, personalize marketing campaigns, and automate tasks that were once time-consuming. As a software engineer, being able to integrate AI into application gives you a massive edge. If you are someone who loves data and wants to create intelligent systems, then AI ML is your path. AI is everywhere, and learning how to use it will make you a highly competitive candidate in 2026. Next up, let's talk about system design. Now, this is a skill that separates good developers from the great ones. It's about understanding how to design large, complex systems that can scale efficiently. And why is system design so crucial for companies? Because companies are always working on building systems that can handle millions of users, store terabytes of data, and operate seamlessly. And that's where system design comes in. Engineers who know how to design these systems and handle challenges like database management, load balancing, scalability are highly sought after. System design is essential for anyone who's working on large-scale application, whether it's a back-end developer, cloud engineer, or solution architect. Now, if you want to be the person designing system that supports the entire companies and millions of users, then this skill will make you indispensable. And let's not forget about problem solving and mindset. Tech is a problem-solving field, and companies are looking for engineers who can not only write code, but also think critically and come up with innovative solutions. The better you are at solving complex problems, the more valuable you will be to any company. And finally, let us talk about communication skills, because if you can't explain what you are doing, even the best technical skills won't get you far. Communication is a critical skill that affects everything from interviews to team collaboration. Companies want engineers who can clearly express ideas, collaborate with others, and explain complex concepts in very simple terms. This is one for everyone. It doesn't matter if you are a back-end developer, AI engineer, or product manager. Being able to articulate your ideas clearly and work well with your team is super important for success in the workplace. So there you have it. If you want to stand out in 2026, start focusing on cloud skills, DevOps, full-stack development, AI, ML, system design, problem solving, and communication. These are the skills that will make you a top contender in the tech industry and set you up for success in your career. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which skill you are excited to learn, and always keep learning and growing. Catch you up in the next video.